Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you a workflow that makes a card game ruling smarter and more efficient with AI. Instead of flipping through manuals, players can ask questions and get an instant and reliable answers. This works through RAG, which retrieves ruling directly from the official rulebook before generating a response. To handle the follow-up questions, we use the vector database to store the conversation history. Instead of sending the whole chat back to the system recalls only the most relevant context, keeping the prompts lightweight, lowering cost of token, and making the responses faster. Finally, the whisper. User ask their question using voice, and the system transcribe the answer naturally. So the stack is simple. Whisper for speech to text, RAG for rule retrieval, and the vector database for smart memory. Together, they create an AI-powered assistant that's accurate, conversational, and cost-effective. After we log in using Google Authentication, we ask the AI a simple greetings, hello, and the AI simply chat back his greetings, and it did not use any tools or any tool calling. And then we introduce ourselves. We tell him our name, our nickname, what we love to eat, and our some activities. Then at this point, we started to ask about the Tongue or the game itself. So at first, uh, the description of the game was already injected in the prompt, so there's no need for any tool calling right here. And then after that, we asked again some general specific from the game itself. So we asked how many players is required to play the game. So this is the time when the AI started to use the tool calling. So the tool searches those relevant information from or using RAG from our vector database and retrieve all the relevance or the top three relevance that is the highest one based on the question. So based on that relevant and the information that is being queried, the AI generated the response based on that informations. At this point, we started to use the microphone to send a message to the AI. So we started asking about my name, if the AI still remembers me. So it takes a little time to transcribe or to transform the voice going to or transforming or transcribing into text. And then after the transcription, it will send to the AI and the AI will respond based on that information. And it will generally it will use a tool to search the previous conversation in between me and the assistant. So based on that retrieve information, it will start to generate a response. At this moment, we uses the voice message again to send another query regarding the game rules itself. And this one is a little tougher, but as long as the generative AI can pull some information about the games that it needs to understand, it will compile those information or answer to the question. So what is the most important thing here is that the more data we feed to the AI, the more data that the AI can retrieve from our vector store, the more it can accurately answer those information back to the user. Now that you've seen the demo, here's the bigger picture. This workflow isn't limited to card games. The same combination of speech transcription, retrieval, and smart memory can power AI assistant in customer service support, education, healthcare, finance, legal compliance, and many other industries, where accurate answer and efficient context management are critical. Thank you for watching, and let's see how far we can take this workflow. Bye bye.